everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through how you can download Zoom application on your laptop. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download Zoom, go to your web browser first. In the search box, type in download Zoom and search. Once you do that, from the search results, click on Download for Windows link, and on the next tab, you'll be able to see that your download has been completed at the bottom left. After you open this tab, the application will be automatically downloaded on your Windows. Open the file after the download has been completed and wait until it installs on your device. Now, you can see that the application has opened. In order to sign into your Zoom account, simply click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials associated with your Zoom account. That is how you can easily download a Zoom application on your laptop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.